हाँ जी, वेरी वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग सब प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों को, प्यारी प्यारी गुड मॉर्निंग, वेरी वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू स्टूडेंट्स. Sorry for delay. It's the first class. Actually, there was some technical issues. I am able to see how many students are there, which are online. Hitesh, hello Hitesh. Annie, Miss Retha, Nal Sonika, Miss Memon, Rafiq Bhai, Thakur, Simran Singh, Yash Jethalia, Ben Reddy, Rahul Kulkaria. Hello everyone and all many students. Friends, we are starting today. It's our first session with you. I want that everyone must show their attention, please. First of all, before starting class, I want to communicate with you regarding the topics which we will cover here. I want to say one more thing. Both the students are there, which Namaste Guruji. I am coming to you, my dear, which are in Hindi and which are also in English. So I will entertain all the queries and all the discussion for both the students. So let me communicate to those students also who are for Hindi classes. Hello दोस्तों, hello बच्चों. तो मैं आपसे ये कह रहा था, मैं दोनों तरह के बच्चों के साथ में यहाँ पे कम्युनिकेट करूंगा, जो बच्चे इंग्लिश में पढ़ना चाहते हैं और जो बच्चे हिंदी में पढ़ना चाहते हैं. सबको प्यारी प्यारी गुड मॉर्निंग. नमस्ते जी, नमस्ते. चलिए, तो सबकी नमस्ते आ गई, सबकी राम राम आ गई. हम शुरू करते हैं. मैं आपके साथ में इंग्लिश में भी कम्युनिकेट करूंगा, तो आप थोड़ा सा मेरे को बताते रहना. जिस भी बच्चे को क्वेरी हो कि सर ये थोड़ी सी दिक्कत है, मेरे को साथ साथ में पहले बता दो. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रेंड्स. Friends, we have very limited time and we have a wide conceptual chapter. Let's start with some discussion. We have very limited lecture. Number of lectures are 5, in which I will cover all the concepts with selected questions which will be very, very advanced. Let's start without wasting my time and your time. It's the chapter of dissolution of partnership. First, clear me, are you able to listen properly? Means audio and video both are clear or not? I am okay with both Hindi and English. Very good. Brandy, Namrata, Deepak, Gomathe, Krishna, Aditi, Tiwari, are you all from English or Hindi? Please tell me fast. There must be two-way communication. That should be real. Then you will definitely enjoy the class. Come on, tell me, how many of students are there who have already taken this chapter in 12th, which were from commerce side? Without wasting time, I am coming directly to the topic due to time limitation. It's the professional class, so we shall do it with time respect of time. Audio, video, okay. Let's start this chapter. I have not yet received any answer from the students. How many students have taken these classes in 12th? Yes sir. Okay. Gomatri Krishna, yes. We will in English. Okay, yes sir, both are okay. Very good. चलिए start करते हैं. Let's start. So this is the chapter dissolution of partnership. How I will proceed with you. First of all, there will be conceptual understanding. Please see this. First of all, there will be conceptual understanding. After that, we will go with the written concepts. Means I have already prepared the written part of concepts. You need not to wait for the things. I will show you screen for the written concept. I will discuss all the concept. Simultaneously, you will write these things in your copy, and after that we will go with the advanced question. Yes sir, here about this chapter in both commerce. Okay. Let's start. Dissolution cover नहीं था. Okay राहुल, नहीं था तो ज्यादा अच्छा है, क्योंकि वो 12th में जब कई बार पढ़ा होता ना बेटा राहुल, तो उसमें क्या होता है कि कुछ चीजें थोड़ा सा अलग है 12th से, और इसी का नाम है एडवांस अकाउंटेंसी. आइए मैं शुरू करता हूँ. So let's start. Please note down this chart I have prepared for you all. There are 4 units in this chapter. There are 4 units in this chapter of partnership. So, first, before starting further, I am giving you here one thing on the screen. Please note it down. I am showing you a screen. 1 minute. This is the chart which will clear you all the concepts in one shot. Please note down. I am explaining you simultaneously. आप सब लोग नोट डाउन करते रहिए, मैं साथ साथ में आपको एक्सप्लेन भी करूंगा. ये हिंदी वाले बच्चों के लिए भी साथ साथ में एंटरटेन होना चाहिए. So students, when we say partnership, then we thoroughly revise the concept normally of the foundation level, which we have already also discussed on 12th level. Friends, in CA foundation, what we have learned, that was admission of partnership, admission of partner, retirement of partner, and death of partner. We have already covered these things at foundation level. And for that, there was also a common chapter that was basic for partnership. Okay, that was the use of the ratio, how to calculate the ratio, how to distribute the reserve and surplus, and all these things. Okay, so this was the topic which we have already covered at foundation level. And there was a one more thing, business was in going concern. Can you please turn on the live chat on YouTube? Mr. Acha, okay, Miss Varsha. Beta, for YouTube, chat option is there, but I am here with you first time, so I don't know YouTube chat will be simultaneously on or not. Please contact to ICR, which ICI has already provided. Sir, मेरी CA इंटर में direct entry है. Don't worry, beta. I am responsible. Don't worry. Yes, if you are reading is you are taking the classes first time about this chapter, don't worry. I have prepared this chart because of that. Most of the students are there which are coming directly to entry, and most of the students are, since they are directly coming from direct entry, non-commerce background, then they also feel problem in this. So I have prepared the chart for solution of all the person. Yes, all the notes will be written in English, don't worry, Durgesh, and explanation will also be in English, don't worry. Simultaneously, I will also entertain. Okay, Durga, I will also entertain Hindi, but main theme will be or English, don't worry. Let's start. So, can I start? Everyone, write down, ready, sir, with full Josh. I am waiting for your reply. Only then I will go further. Please make this class most two-way communicating class. Durga, Yash, Varsha, Annie, and all the students, please tell me, are we ready? I am going to explain the concept now. Waiting. Come on. Yes, ready. This is the okay with full energy. Ye hui na baat. This is the theme we should be maintained till the last. Before starting, I am now showing you the chart. Please take this chart. Please note down this chart. I am simultaneously explaining. Business chal raha hai ji. Business is going concern. Till the foundation level, we have learned all the things at this theme. All the chapters were there when the business was a going concern. Now at inter level group 2 advanced account. Now in C inter group 2, the business is now being closed. The partnership business is now being closed. Partnership खत्म हो रही है जी, साझेदारी खत्म हो रही है जी. वो था ना हम जुदा हो गए मगर हम मिलेंगे. Partnership is being closed. जुदा हो रहे हैं बेटा. So there are 4 ways, there are 4 units for closing the business of partnership firm. First one is reality. the dissolution of partnership firm. When we go to study material chapter, then we see the chapter in four parts in our study material. First part is dissolution of partnership firm. Second part is piecemeal distribution of firm. And third part is amalgamation of partnership firm. If students are also watching this video at YouTube, then please beta enjoy the lecture. I can entertain the queries only in the our chat packs of respected ICAI, which they have already provided to me. Let's start. So in unit 1, that is called dissolution of partnership. What the theme is here in the unit 1? Before starting the all 4 unit, we must read this chart properly, because at last after the chapter we used to mix the concept. If there is this chart, then definitely you will be clear at each time at your concept. So so first unit, dissolution of partnership firm. What does it mean? What does this unit say for accounting? Today all the assets will be sold and cash will be realized at the same date. In unit 1, the theme is there that all the assets are being sold for business closure, all the assets are being sold, and all the liabilities are being paid. Today all the liabilities will be paid. And lastly, after paying the outsiders, sorry. Now third point is, today all the payment of partners will be done. Partners, they have contributed in the partnership firm in the form of capital, in the form of loan, partners loan. All the payments related to partner will be done. Are you clear with this concept, that what is the theme behind this unit 1? Please give me answer. When I ask, then better answer. Please answer. Are you clear with these 3 points, what I have told you in the unit 1, what the theme will be there for unit 1? However, this unit 1 is not practical. You know how we can say a building is there in partnership firm, and there are the buyer outside the partnership firm. They are waiting when you will close and we will buy. Listen to me very clearly. Okay, only Siddharth has replies. Okay. Rest of the students I have also replied. Yes. Now come to the point. This is not the practical situation. This is not the practical situation. How we can expect that on the one date all the cash will come and all the cash will pay and all the partners will be settled? But still, in the unit 1, this will be our theme. For this, what the accounts we will prepare, that will be clear further. Don't worry. First, we should learn the theme behind all the 4 units, because this particular chapter has been divided in 4 units because of their themes. Now come to second unit of this chapter. Piecemeal distribution. You know, this is the practical situation. Please note down simultaneously. I am explaining you. Piecemeal. Piece. What does it mean, sir? Piece. Sir, piece means tukda, a part. Yes, that's the thing which I am saying to you, friends. In practical situation, what happens when business is closed? Then assets are sold. Definitely, assets are sold, and liabilities are paid. Definitely, liabilities are paid. But how? On one date? No. Actually, the assets are recovered, realized. Very good, Namrata. Very good, shabash beta. The assets are realized one by one. If I have I have announced that we are closing our partnership firm and the building is available for sale, debtors, please pay my money. I am closing my business. We are closing our business. Stock, please jao, दिख जाओ, अपने आप को ना दिखेगा. How stock will be sold? Stock will also be sold, but that will take a time. Okay. Now think, more things are also there. Prepaid expenses. You have prepaid rent, and you are saying, landlord ji, please, we are closing our businesses next month. Please return our 2-month security. Then will he return? No. definitely he will not return. Think the theme first and understand the concept. Then you will play with the accounting. You will enjoy the accounting. Now come to the point. Friends, all the assets are sold, but not at the same time. Please note down simultaneously. Sir, realize means beta, when we receive the amount, we sell our assets and we receive our amount in respect of sales consideration of assets in our pocket. That is called realize. Okay, Yash. Realize means receive or paid. Receive की बात करें. Receive. In case of assets, we are realize means received. Now come to the point. All the assets are sold, but not at the same date. They are sold at different dates. Like one debtor will pay 3 to 4 installment, saying, "Please take this. I will pay further." Another time, then please pay, receive this, and I will pay further. So those are the pieces of one payment. Those pieces are not realized or received on the same date. That's why we are to go for the second unit, that is called piecemeal. So what does it mean? Meal. Very good. Assets are not sold in part. Namrata, assets payment is received in part. Take an example, Namrata beta. We are selling our computer. Then computer will be sold. Computer will be sold. Complete computer. Not please take monitor. Please take UPS. No. Complete monitor and complete computer. Okay. But the other assets will be sold at further date. It is not necessary at the same date there will be buyer of furniture also. So overall business assets will be sold one by one, because at one date all the assets are not able to sold because of the buyer's timings are not same. Okay, beta. Namrata, please make me clear that you are clear at this point. Good morning, Sneha. You are late. Shitan, very late. After a long time you have said me good morning. Please note down this chart, Sneha. I think you have joined just right now. Please note down this chart, beta. Now coming back to the second unit. Namrata, please tell me, are you clear? You have read the doubt? Please tell me, beta. And rest of the students also, please. All the students must reply, even if I am asking to one person. Hiralal Prakash. So payment in installment when the all assets are sold. maybe if I sold my computer and Mr. X saying, who have bought my computer, he is saying that at April 1st I will pay 5,000. At April 10 I will pay rest 25,000. So 30,000 is total price for computer. Okay, that the payment is in pieces. Okay, beta. Okay. Ritesh, piecemeal distribution has two methods. Oh, beta, baat karenge beta. Ritesh, I am not going further. Please, I am taking the lecture as like students are taking the classes first time. Even if these are the revisionary classes, still I will go to the detailed concept and I will definitely go with the depth of the concept and selected question revision. Okay, understood. कहाँ था अब तक आप? अच्छा कृतिका बेटा, ओके, आप ही के पास था, इंस्टीट्यूट ने मिला दिया. ओके कृतिका, आइए आगे बढ़ते हैं. चलिए बेटा, लेट्स स्टार्ट एंड एंजॉय द कॉन्सेप्ट फर्स्ट. थिंग behind the chapter. Hence the amount of sale of assets also comes in pieces. Okay, and as far as the payment come, let's suppose payment number 1 is coming on date April 1st. Then simultaneously other person are looking, please pay me first, please pay me first. First one is creditor, second one is partner. तो partner को बोला जाएगा partner will be paid after some time. First we will come to the liability and liability will say first pay me. No, only the priority is there. First of all, external liabilities are paid in first. So how, whom will be paid, secured, unsecured, and etc. Don't worry, this is a chapter we will do there, but think about the theme of this chapter. Clear, sir? In second unit, payment is received in pieces. Very good, Rahul. Very good. So I am Karthik, not Kritika. Okay, beta. Karthik, sir, is asset sold in piece or payment received in piece? Payment received in piece. Aditi, beta, payment received in piece. Okay, now come to the point. So first payment, who will receive? Who will receive first payment? If there is a one payment, there is one payment. I have sold my computer and only 5,000 is there. 25 will be received at future date. The payment which is in my pocket 5,000. Behind me there are liabilities. They are asking for money. I will pay first to whom? External liabilities. Yes. Very good, Hiralal. I am saying the same thing, beta. First pay to external liabilities. Then after paying all the external liabilities, whether those are secured or unsecured, then we shall go for the partners. And partners are there with two contribution, loan and capital. So in that case also, between the partners, we shall pay first partners loan. Okay, second step. And after that, we shall clear the dues regarding the capital of partners. Okay. So suppose all assets are sold at a time, but amount received in installment, then it will be piecemeal distribution or not. Very good, Namrata. The question raised by Namrata is very, very good question. Please read the. Okay, listen. I am explaining the question of Namrata. Namrata has given a question. Sir, suppose all the assets are sold at a time, but payment is received in installment. Now tell me, this is piecemeal distribution or not? Friends, I will expect all the students must answer this question. Please tell me, I'm waiting for that, for your answer. And there is a time limitation. So I want real communication with you. Simultaneously, you should answer the query. Fatafat, bataiye, jaldi se, I am waiting. Namrata, I want you also answer this question. Karthik, very good. Siddharth, very, very good. Correct answer. All the students must answer. Only Karthik and Siddharth have replied. If you are learning the theme, then you will enjoy the chapter. Even if lectures are limited, but you will learn all the detailed concept along with advanced question. So please reply me at the real time. So I am answering. Very, very good. This shows the clarity of student. One person is there. I will not take name of the person. Beta, answer is wrong. If anyone is saying no, sir. Beta, this is piecemeal distribution. Why? When we are receiving the payment in parts, whether all the assets are sold or not, when payment is being received by us, that is not the complete payment. This is also a piecemeal distribution. Piecemeal distribution. Okay, Hiral. Okay, assets are sold, but at the same time, but the amount is installment. So this is a piecemeal distribution. Very good, Shrina. Very, very good. Very good, Pooja, beta. Sir, why external liabilities are first will be paid and do not second? Why not paid? Beta, external person are paid first. This is the theme of business. When somebody is paying you on a trust factor, then business has the liability to pay first. Internal payments will be further because external person are secured first. Low priority, as you know. We will discuss also in chapter. Okay. So, sir, does outstanding salary, interest, etc. part of partner loan? No, beta, no. No, Karthik. Can I go further? Now, coming to the piecemeal distribution again. Listen to me very carefully. What was in the first unit? Come on, revise. What was in the first unit? All the assets are paying money in the pocket of firm at the same date. And all the payments of external person are also being paid at the same date, at the date receiving. All the internal liabilities, whether it's partners loan or partners capital, are being paying on the same date. This is the first unit. Now, second unit, revise simultaneously with me. Piece means what? Tukda, part. When we sell our assets, the payment is not received on the same date. Whether complete asset sold or not, payment matters. Payment matters. We have received payment, but not of all the assets of balance sheet. We have received one payment, and after that, coming to the payment priority, then I will pay first external, then to internal, partner loan, and then partners capital. Now listen to me very carefully. Even if the students take the question and practice the question, still they are not clear. I have seen, still they are not clear most of the time on the concept. Why? Because they don't compare all the chapter in this way. First I take a query, and after that I will go further. Karthik, partners to partnership firm are like equity shareholder go to company. Yes, very good. घर का बंदा है, very good. इनको आखिरी में मिलेगा, very good. Higher the Karthik. Assets are sold and amounts received and liabilities are paid in one day. Namrata, then it will be unit 1. Yes. Now, please listen to me very carefully. Now, I am saying, please don't write for 1 minute and concentrate. Please put your pen down and concentrate what I am saying now. The chapter unit name is Piece plus Meal, and that is distribution. Piece means part, meal means khana, food. Distribution means partner. Distribution. Listen to me very carefully. The chapter name is Piecemeal distribution. Why? The piece of payment is coming, and we are paying priority wise. But the chapter belongs to main theme, meal. Meal means khana, food. With whom you used to eat food? But please tell me. Of course, with family. Distribution, piecemeal distribution means after paying all the things, how you will pay partner. Suppose there are 3 partners. Mr. A, Mr. B, and Mr. C. Listen to me very carefully. Yes, beta, Namrata, very good. Okay, I got whether not all the focus in payment is yes, beta, Hiral, very good, Prakash. Now coming to the point, all the person are there who have invested equally. 1 lakh. But since Mr. A, I am Ajay, A for Ajay, and you both are students. These are my students, and I will say, students, I am already in teaching. I am your teacher. Beta, please give me 50%. Okay, sir. Okay. You will say yes, sir. Then this is my favorite student. Please give him 30%, and this is 20%. Now see, there is inequality. Please let me clear first. Please let me clear first. Please wait for writing 1 minute. The thing is here. Piecemeal distribution, meals are distributed or eaten, used to eaten with the family. Piecemeal distribution chapter start at this point. When we are distributing between the partners after paying all the external liabilities and after paying partners loan, when you are paying, when business is paying, returning back to partners capital, then which partner must be paid first? All the person are there in different profit sharing ratio, but capital investment is equal. Okay, here are parever. Okay, beta. The ratios are different, but the amount is equal. Listen to me very carefully. Who invested higher? Now answer me. Who invested higher as compared to his ratio? Tell me first. Who is at the pain side? Who is at the pain side? If there is only 30,000 rupees balance, all the assets have been sold, all the liabilities and paid, only 30,000 are remaining. Yes, we will. To whom we should return first? Very good, Sonika beta. Very good. Listen to me very carefully. C is the person who is at the panic situation. So first, his extra investment will be paid first. Number one priority. Then, okay, the person who have answered C is only the correct answer. Okay. One person is saying, sir, आप ही हैं at paining situation. Sir, you are the at paining situation. No, beta, no. We are here. If we are as a partner, then we are not teacher student. We are here as a partner. Then who is at the panic side? Okay, painful situation. Beta, 30,000 is only the remaining amount, and this will be first paid to low says, and as per law, this chapter is this chapter accounting is governed. First paid to the person who is investing more than his ratio, because he contributed. Yes, his contribution is more than his ratio, and after that, second payment is made to both simultaneously. The extra part as compared to his ratio, because after some part there are some painful situation for B also, and after that third payment will be paid in this way, that when all the ratio inequality has been solved out, then all the person will get the payment in profit and loss sharing ratio. And from here we comes to a case, the Gardner versus Murray. Sir, at this point, Gardner versus Murray, that was also in unit 1. Yes, but the main thing, main clarity you will find here. When we are in profit or loss situation, after closing the firm, the ending point of profit or loss must be in profit and loss ratio. The main theme behind the Gardner versus Murray system was this: the last point of the profit or loss in the situation must be in profit and loss ratio. So in the same way, we will deal in accounting. Gardner versus Murray. If anybody is not known with the Gardner versus Murray, I am saying just two words. There was a case outside, there was a foreign case which have been adopted in our accounts for solution of some dispute in the partnership firm. And that says, if there is insolvency loss, then that must be distributed with other partners in such a way that the final loss of profit must be in the profit and loss ratio. The solvent part we will discuss, Hitesh. But first we should clear at the theme, because after doing all these 4 chapters, students are not able to differentiate. They mix the concept. So first I will work in this way, then we will go for the question. So now coming to the third unit. Before coming to third unit, first revise first 2 units. Come on. In first unit, all the assets will be sold and all the liabilities will be paid at the same date, and after that all the partners will be settled at the first single date. Yes, I am coming to your doubt. First revise. Piecemeal distribution. When you receive one payment, when you receive second date, another payment, when you receive third payment, then which will the person to whom that payment will be paid first? Priority wise, external, and then internal, then capital. Okay, this is the piecemeal distribution concept. Now coming to the third unit, amalgamation of partnership firm. But before coming to third unit, I am taking doubt of 2 students. Yes. Sir, this part is not for the time being. Other student, please note down third and fourth unit. I am showing you on the screen. Till the time I am taking simultaneously this doubt. Sir, this part is not clear where 30,000 will come. Beta, I am saying you all the assets have been sold, all the liabilities, external liabilities have been paid. Only balance left for the partners is 30,000 available. That was my example assumption. Okay, beta, Yash. Please reply me, Yash. Your doubt is clear or not? Aditi Tiwari. Sir, please zoom. Okay, zoom करता हूँ मैं third unit. Don't worry. I am zooming. Yes, please answer me. Your doubt is clear or no? 30,000 regarding 30,000. Now coming to Aditi. Aditi, first payment to the lowest profit sharing person. Very good. Aditi, why? Because he has limited ratio, short ratio, but he has invested higher. Example part is not visible. Okay, example part is not visible. Which example part? Okay, I am explaining and you will simultaneously note down. All doubts are clear. Now I am explaining you third unit. Listen to me. Amalgamation of partnership firm. एक फिल्म है, दिल फिल्म. A film is there, दिल film. And where, sorry, but this is the theme by which we used to make the student clear. There is a song, हमने घर छोड़ा है, कस्बों को तोड़ा है, दूर कहीं जाएंगे, नई दुनिया बसाएंगे. In that film, Amir Khan and Madhuri Dixit both leave their home and go to a new dunya in love marriage. It's only an example. Please take this only for concept. Don't apply practically. Amir and Associates is a firm where there are two partners, Mr. A and Mr. B. Another firm is there, Madhuri and Associates. There are two partners, Mr. C and Mr. D. As like there was a song, हमने घर छोड़ा है, रस्मों को तोड़ा है, दूर कहीं जाएंगे, नई दुनिया बसाएंगे. A new partnership firm is created after merger of two firms. This is called amalgamation. Amalgamation of partnership firm. When two firms are close, this firm is close and this firm is close, and both the firm merge and a new firm is created. That is called ABCD and Associate, New Dunya and Associate, where all the partners are now working together after leaving their individual existence. Please make me clear that this point is clear. What does it mean? Amalgamation of partnership firm. Amalgamation of partnership firm is the same as like amalgamation of companies, but the accounting is slightly some different. Yes, sir. Only the concept should be practically applied. Note the example. Yes, beta Madhushri. Okay, so I am asking once again. Please reply me. Amalgamation point is clear when two firms merge together to and create a new firm, and working now they are in new existence. Please tell me. I am waiting for your reply. Yes, sir. Understood. Clear. Yes, sir. सर नई दुनिया कहाँ है? शैतान राहुल इधर देखो, नई दुनिया अब आपकी शुरू हो चुकी है, सीए की दुनिया. आइए. Now coming another example. X, Y and Associates. Mr. X teaches accounts and Mr. Y teaches tax subject. There is also one more. This is one partnership firm where two teachers are working. Mr. X is teaching accounts. Mr. Y is teaching tax. No, sir, not clear. Mr. Yes. Okay, beta, take this example. This is another example. That's why I have taken another example. Maybe some student could not ask. Okay. Yes, I will wait for your answer after this example. Suppose I had one firm and my brother another firm. We both open a new firm together. Yes, beta Siddharth. Very good. Yes, sir. Clear, sir. Sir, do AS14 also apply here? No, beta. AS14 is for companies. That doesn't apply here. Now coming to the point. Suppose there is a coaching center where account subject is being taught by Mr. X and tax subject is being taught by Mr. Y. Mr. Y also work in second firm. He also teach another subject that is law, but in another coaching center. YZ and Associates. There are also two partners. Mr. Y, he is teaching law, and Mr. Z, he is teaching cost account. Now they have decided remove competition, let's earn together. As you know, nowadays most of the time I have seen coaching has become a business also. Now coming to the main theme of this chapter. Now both the coaching center merge together and create a new form, a new coaching center with new name. That is Mr. X, Y, Z. All the partners are there and they are now teaching together. Okay. Accounts, cost, tax, and do. Okay. Sir, one of the student have asked, have said that the are coming. Don't worry. First, clear this point. So, tell me first, everyone, is this concept of amalgamation of partnership from clear to you or not? First, we have to understand the difference among all the units so that we can go for the accounting with the conceptual clarity. In this case, how we will do, is this clear? Please tell me first. Now coming to the doubt. A Byju's and Akash, don't take another coaching center name, only the example Aditi, you are clear? Okay. Now coming to a doubt. Sir, one student is asking a doubt and I am now explaining the doubt. Okay. Everyone listen first. Sir, one of the students have said that the first payment is made to the partners having lowest profit sharing ratio. What if same person is the one who have invested the lowest amount as capital? Then will the settlement be wrong? मेरी बात सुनो बेटा यहाँ से शिवाशिनी. The person who have invested and as compared to his profit sharing ratio, who have invested higher, that is being paid first. Up to the amount who he should invest, but he has invested higher. The higher amount is being paid first. Okay, Shivashini beta, we shall do all the question with detailed discussion. Don't worry. First, we are clearing here the theme between the differences between all the units. Now, please tell me, Shivashini, your point is clear. How that will be done in accounts, we will do in the chapter. But please tell me first, the point is clear or no, Shivashini? Sir, Byju's and clear, sir. Madhushri, amalgamation is in understood, sir. Hitesh, yes, sir, clear. Neha, it's clear. Durga, clear. Memon, Rafiq bhai, crystal clear. Okay, thank you, Memon. Sonika, understood what is amalgamation. Okay, beta. Amalgamation clear. Alfonso, Rahul, sir, everything is crystal clear as of now. Okay, beta. Now I am leaving the clear part of all the students. I am feeling good and comfortable with you all. Now coming to the doubt point. Sir, one more time explain this. Okay, Yash, I am explaining one more time. Namrata, sir, can you repeat distribution of partners capital in second unit network problem on my side? Namrata, don't worry. I will repeat. I will repeat so many times. You will say, please don't repeat. Please don't repeat. Okay, Namrata, wait for a minute, beta. Before going further unit, I always revise. Okay, sir, thank you. Yes, sir. Okay, Shivanshi is now clear. Okay. Neha, but one question, sir. Their second example is different from the first. First, they are closing their old firm and forming a new firm. Nahi, beta, I am explaining you again, Neha. Now, listen carefully. Sir, should all the partners of your firm be partner? Now, coming to the point. Yes, come on. I am repeating this third unit. And before going to third unit, I am again revising first and second. Please revise with me. Come on. In first unit, what was there? All the payments are coming on the same date. All the assets have been sold. All the payment also on the same date. And at the same date, we are paying to external liabilities and then internal liabilities partners loan. Then partners capital on the same date. In first unit, this is the main theme. Now in second unit, piecemeal distribution. All the assets are being sold, but the payment is not being coming on the same date. Payment, whether it is full payment of assets or whether it is part payment of assets, the payment number one is coming on the one day. Forget which assets has been sold. Forget whether full payment is received. Think only just one thing, that all the balance sheet assets are in queue and we are receiving one payment, piece payment. Now that will be paid priority wise. After that, in between the partners, okay, priority wise, and partner will be paid. Who will be paid? Who has contributed loan first? Then partners capital are being paid, but who will be paid? Who has invested higher than his receiving ratio? Okay. Now coming to the point, Siddharth, please wait. Now coming to third unit. In case of amalgamation of partnership firm, two firms, two firms merge together after closing their existing business. Existing firm should be closed and new firm should be open. Two example I have taken. Please listen. Who are having doubt, if any. First example is this one, in which I told you example of a Dil film song. This is the one firm and this is second firm, in which there was no any common partner. In which there was no any common partner. All the competitors close their business and enter into a new business, new existence. All the partners were totally different. There was no common partner. Okay. Now old firms have been closed and new firm has been created, in which all the partners are working together, just like admission of partner. Now I have taken another example. That is my second example. And what was that? This one. XY and Associates is a partnership firm in which two partners are there, Mr. X and Mr. Y. They are teaching two subjects. Rahul, 1 minute, beta. YZ and Associates is another partnership firm. By chance, there was a common partner of another firm. Mr. Y and Mr. Z were partner there. Now, both the firm closes and a new firm is opened after closing existing both firms. This is called amalgamation, in which amalgamation word is there where existence of earlier is being closed and then new existence is being created. Amalgamation word is there only. Now coming to doubt part, Mr. Rahul, he is asking, sir, first unit sale and settle all today itself. Second unit in piece payment received and paid sequence wise. Very good beta. Shabaz beta. Paid in sequence wise. Third unit merged together. Wah beta wah. Very good. Sir, no doubt, sir. It was just summary. Okay beta. Okay. Still. Now coming to the point. So I want, before going further, I want one thing. Please answer me. Unit 1, 2, 3 all are clear in theme wise. Accounting is very, very simple. Yeah, accounting is very, very simple. Accounting is like you are playing with the debit credits. Don't worry. But theme must be clear. We should all be clear about the concept where we are going for accounting. Please tell me again. All the person are clear here till this or not? Please tell me. I want answer from all the students. This is my dose. Please tell me. I am waiting. Rahul, even if all the students have replied, please tell me clear this till this point or not. जल्दी बताओ. वरना काली मत आएगी रात को गले में सांप डाल के जाएगी. जल्दी बताओ. हितेश clear. कार्तिक clear. Okay. शिवांशी clear. माधुरी. Oh sorry. मधुश्री. एग्जाम्पल लिया था. अच्छा और किरण और अच्छा प्रकाश जी, श्रीराम ठाकुर सिंह. चलिए सब बच्चों का क्लियर है. आइए नाउ कमिंग टू फोर्थ यूनिट. अगेन रिवाइज. बिफोर कमिंग टू फोर्थ यूनिट, रिवाइज फर्स्ट. यूनिट 1, ऑल द पेमेंट इज बीइंग रिसीव्ड एंड पेड ऑन द सेम डेट टू ऑल. अब ऐसे बोलेंगे हम लोग. नाउ वी विल से टू ऑल. नाउ सेकंड यूनिट. यस बेटा, नेम शुड बी चेंज. We will not go to the discussion. Okay, name should be changed. Yes, beta. Now in second unit, revise. Come on. Unit 1 first. All the payment must be received on the same date. All the payment to all. We shall say to all, external and internal. To all on the same date. Piecemeal distribution. Payment as far as receipt increase, the payment should be paid priority wise, priority wise, priority wise. Main theme is who has contributed higher, that must be paid higher side first. Now, third unit, when two firms merge together and go into the new firm, then all the existing firms are closed or not? Yes. How we shall do accounting in that case? The concept for accounting is behind this. Okay. Now coming to the chapter, unit number 4, conversion of partnership firm into company. Conversion, conversion of partnership firm into company. आता हूँ नम्रता, coming, wait please. After 4 unit, I will revise again that. Okay, Namrata, now coming to point. Conversion of partnership firm into company. You know, as the business grow, we increase the partners. Why? Because the limited money is there, the limited return is there. If higher money is there, then higher will be return. First, we enter into partnership from proprietor to partnership, then partnership to company. And how will we shall do the accounting when the firm is being converted into company? If partnership firm business is being converted into company, in this case also two concept is there. First one, existing account books are closed and new books are open. Second one is the same books are revalued. So conversion of partnership firm into company is also called sale to a company. Please note down. As I shall take example, there was a firm that was ABC and Associates. In starting, the firm was partnership firm. And during the year, such firm has been converted into the company. What will the accounting? If existing books are being closed and new books are being opened, the closure is there for books. The closure is there. And how we shall do accounting here? Okay. Converted into company if partnership firm books are being closed. Yes, beta ji. Very, very good. Yes. Now coming to Namrata. Namrata, I am repeating. Okay. Now everyone first tell me, unit 4 theme is clear or not? You will play with the accounting if you are clear on your theme. You will enjoy the accounting if you are, yes, I can zoom better. If you are clear at your theme. ABC Associates is there. That was partnership firm at year starting. And that firm has been converted into company at year end. That is company, and the schedule 3rd applies. During the year, such was converted, and when converted, partnership firm is closing its books. Then how will you close the books? That accounting is done in this chapter. Okay, when ready, please see. I am again repeating. Listen to me very carefully. There are two partners, A and B, and they were running to the Rahul. Everything is clear, sir. Wonderful teaching. Thank you, beta. Okay. Pen ready is also clear. Okay. So I was taking your doubt, beta. So you are clear. It means I should not go with the discussion of this doubt. Okay. Now it is the last time when I am repeating this chart. After this revision of themes, we shall take break of 5 minutes so that we can take a pause of the theme, and then we will go for the accounting concept of unit 1. First, I am repeating all the things. All the 4 unit conceptually clear. Okay, beta, Prakash. Now coming to last time repetition with the detailed repetition. After that, we will take break so that we can give a break, and then we shall do the accounting. Now coming to the last time repetition for this chart. Everyone, please put your pen down and listen to me very carefully. Yes, Siddharth, that will be discussed in the company chapter. If I will discuss here, then other student may get confused. Okay, beta, you can ask separately at company chapter. Okay, beta, Siddharth, there are difference. only for accounting. For this chapter, you can think that there is no difference. Okay, but Siddharth, now coming to last time repetition, please come and join this discussion. I will say, please put your pen down, and only repetition is must for this. Please put your pen down and listen to me very carefully. Okay. Now repeating last time. Listen to me very carefully. What the partnership accounting in overall syllabus of CA Institute. At foundation level, we were working on the going concern concept when the partners are being admitted, retiring, or death of the partner is there. Still, business was being going concern. Please, now nobody should write any message here for 2 minutes. Okay. Now coming to point. So till this time, we covered that business was going concern. Business चल रहा है, partner आ रहा है या जा रहा है, partner is coming or not, or coming or going, it anyway, whether from its own choice or board choice, death of the partner. But the business was going concern. At C Inter Group 2 level, we are to read this. We are to read 4 unit of dissolution. Okay, 4 unit of dissolution. Unit number 1, dissolution of partnership. That says all the assets will be sold at the same date. All the assets will be sold at the same date. Wait. All the assets will be sold at the same date. And all the payments will be done to all, whether outsiders or whether insiders, insider liability or insider capital. All the payment will be done on the same date. This is unit 1. Unit 2 says, please go with the detailed discussion last time. Please do not write any message. In piecemeal distribution, we learn when the payment is received in pieces, whether all the assets is sold in one or some of the assets are being sold. Main thing is we have to focus is payment, one payment, second payment. We doesn't have to concentrate whether part of the assets has been sold or full assets has been sold. The main thing is whether payment is coming another or not, or this is the final payment. The first payment is coming, second payment is coming. These are the nature of pieces for receiving the money. And when the first payment is coming, then how we are paying to the external. Then second payment is coming, how we are paying to external. After that, third payment is coming, we are paying to internal liabilities. Partners के लोन का पेमेंट पहले किया जाएगा. Partners loan is payment before that. First payment is paid to outsiders, second payment is paid to partners loan. Third now point is capital part. How capital part is paid? In this chapter, name is piecemeal distribution. Meal means khana, meals means food, which used to distribute with the family person. In the business, partners are like family. So that's why this chapter name is piecemeal distribution. Chapter is focused specially for partners capital distribution. That's why its name is piecemeal distribution, because family is there with whom we used to eat our meal. Now focus on the chapter theme. Main unit theme is that to whom we have to pay first. If there are 3 persons who have invested equally, but they are enjoying different ratio. Like I have said, A for Ajay, I am enjoying 50%, and you are friend Mr. B and Mr. C, you are also investing equally, but you are enjoying only little part of the ratio, small part of the ratio, and I am enjoying higher part. Now the firm is being closed. Who will be paid first? The person who are at painful situation, who have invested as compared to he should invest. Okay, this 3 lakh, if I say 3 lakh is there, which we should, okay, I am removing this 30,000 and taking another example for this discussion. Suppose 3 lakh capital is there, which we have invested in this way. Mr. A 1 lakh, Mr. B 1 lakh, Mr. C 1 lakh. This 3 lakh contribution was there. How this should be done? If we are to follow ratio, 3 lakh should be distributed in this way. 3 lakh 50%. Mr. A should be the investor of how much amount? Come on, tell me. Okay, don't tell. Only tell to yourself. 3 lakh should be invested in this way. How much? 1,50,000 should be invested by this person, and 3,30,000 and 30%, 90,000. and 60,000 in the ratio. This should be in this way. Who has invested higher? Mr. C was in 40,000 painful situation. Mr. B was in 10,000 extra investor. Mr. A was not the extra investor. He was already enjoying the extra ratio. So if there are only 30,000 amount is pending. Okay, take another amount. Maybe you could mix 33,3 suppose all the assets have been sold and the amount has been received and all the payment has been done and the remaining amount is only and only 60,000. Now to whom this will be paid? First paid to this person, 50,000. After that, the extra, now all the person are there, ratio inequality has been solved out. Now 10,000 to whom this should be paid. Now I am waiting for your reply. Now you can reply. 10,000 to whom we should pay. Come on, tell me. To whom we should pay 10,000. Tell me first. This will be your clarity of this theme of the chapter. To whom we should pay this 10,000. Please tell me to whom we should pay this 10,000. If we have paid 50,000 to, if we have paid 50,000 in this way, 40,000 to Mr. C and 10,000 to Mr. B, to whom we should pay? I am waiting. 10,000 has to be paid. Mr. Siddharth, very good, beta. Very good, Rafiq bhai. Very good, Thakur Singh. Shabash, beta. Very good, Ben Reddy. Now coming to the point. Very good. 10,000 will be paid. Dekho. Listen, 50,000 you have paid to the person who have invested extra as compared to the ratio. But 10,000 is now at the point when you have removed the inequality of ratio. Now everybody is there in ratio wise. Okay. Now this will be paid in all the partners, 5,000, 3,000 and 2,000, because what they have invested excess as compared to their ratio, they have received those amount. Okay. Don't worry, we shall do the question in detail in the chapter. But before going further, I want to clear all the unit so that after the complete sessions of 5 lectures, you will not get even a single confusion. Now, this was the Namrata. Because of you, I have repeated all the things. Please, beta, tell me, Namrata, especially because it was your doubt. Namrata, you are saying A. Why you are saying A? Because you think B and C have received. Now it's the turn for A. No, beta. Because B and C were receiving the extra part which they have invested as compared to their ratio. Now all the person are being received in the ratio. Namrata. Okay, profit sharing ratio. Yes, beta. I was confused, but now I am clear. Siddharth. Okay. Very, very good. Now coming to the third unit. This was the amalgamation. Revise. Amalgamation. In case of amalgamation, two partnership firms are merged and existing firm are closed. First example was this one of Delphine, Amir Khan ji, Madhuri Dixit ji. The two firms were there. All the firms were closed and new firm was open. This was my first example. By chance, there was no any common partner. Okay, but most of the cases are there when there are usually common partner. Amalgamation usually takes their got more clear on unit 2. Okay, beta. Amalgamation used to take place where there are common partners. Okay, beta. Now coming to the point. This was another example. There is a firm, number 1, XY and Associates. There were 2 teachers, Mr. X and Mr. Y. They were teaching. Mr. Y was also teaching in another partnership firm. Okay. After some time, Mr. Y convinced all to come together and let's enjoy the synergy gain after merging the partnership firm. So old firms are closed and new firm is open. I am removing all the signs here. Signature sign here. Please listen to now fourth unit revision. When business grow, then we enter into partnership, and business when business more grow, then we come into the company form. And in this case, partnership firm is being closed, and company is being formed. Here, how we shall do the accounting for closing the partnership firms. From my side, the revision is complete. I hope I could make you all clear, and I am seeing the response. I am feeling good. Please, if you give your this response in comment box of YouTube, or in this way, in this fast manner, then I will definitely enjoy with you all these lectures. Okay, and you will be getting more output from my side. Definitely. One more thing I want to communicate with you all, guys. We are taking now break of 5 minutes. After that, we will resume our session with the detailed accounting of Unit 1. Okay, so now we are being specific to Unit 1 after the break. So we will not discuss the points regarding the other unit. Okay, beta. I hope you will enjoy the lecture. Okay, let's take a break. We are taking a break. Break. Okay. So welcome back, students. Please show your presence that you are also back. Come on, bacho. Now we are going into detailed discussion. First, you clear that you all are in class. Namrata, Sonika, Hitesh, Thakur, Vijeta, and all other students. Yes, we are back. Okay, let's start. Rahul, let's start. So, as I said, now we shall discuss only the concept regarding unit first. Let's start. Conceptual discussion is first, then concept will be written. When I am here discussing the concept, then you need not to be worried about the writing or noting. Sir, then how we shall note? Don't worry. There are three steps. Listen to me very carefully. There are three steps. First one is conceptual clarity. This one. First, I shall work on that. Okay. At this time, you need not to write down because there are some types of the person who are noting each and everything and they puzzles. Don't worry. I have prepared all the written concept for you how you should note down. That is already ready. Okay. So you will note down in the proper systematic way. Second step, and then we shall move with the question. Okay. Maybe today we are not on the question part. Don't worry. But first we have to go for the concept. This concept will also be useful in other units. Okay. So please take these things very clear. Now you are putting your pen down in this way, and you are not writing. Okay. You are just listening and understanding. Now come to the point, beta. This is the conceptual understanding part. In our question, what we find, a balance sheet is there. A balance sheet is there. So wait, I am changing my screen for you so that you can feel more comfortable. Wait a minute. Okay, this will be more comfortable for you. Beta, there is a balance sheet, and Hello, students. Sorry for technical issue. Actually, there was a power crash. Anyways, now coming back to the class, please show your presence so that I can continue, resume my class. Everyone, please message and show your presence so that I can resume my class. Waiting for your reply, बच्चों. Madhushri, Sudhanshu, Namrata, Sonika, Karthik, Thakur Singh, and all the students. Please reply fast so that we can start. Okay, hello, sir, presence. Okay. Yes. So I am starting. Now coming back to the discussion. So we were discussing at the conceptual part. Beta, in question what you will get a balance sheet. This is a balance sheet. You need not to note down. I have already informed you. Once again, I am repeating. You need not to write it down. For writing part, I have already prepared how systematic you should note down. Okay. For conceptual understanding, we are discussing first. Beta, what the things are there in balance sheet? There is a fixed assets. There is fixed assets. Okay. Suppose there is a fixed assets of 10 lakh rupees. I am taking an example of a small firm. Suppose there is a fixed assets in the balance sheet, and there is current assets also, investments also. That is 5 lakh. There is current assets also. In current assets, one is other current assets, debtor, stock, prepaid, all the things are there. That is 3 lakh. Okay. And cash and bank is also there. That is cash and bank is also there. That is rupees 2 lakh. I am taking an example only just to make you understood the way we shall deal in the accounts. Okay. This is the assets part of a balance sheet. And another part is there. Another part is also there. that is liability side. There is capital part, partners capital. That was total कितना है? 5 3 8 2 10 20 lakhs total. Means 20 lakhs total must be in balance sheet also, liability side also. Partners capital are there of 15 lakhs, suppose. And liability part is there, external liability part will be there 3 lakh only. Let's suppose, sir, where is 2 lakh? Beta, that is reserve and surplus part, general reserve, capital reserve, etc. Okay, take an example of capital reserve is there, general reserve is there. Okay, and that is total 2 lakh, in which there is a content of 80,000 this one and 120,000 this one. That becomes total 2 lakh. So are you getting this balance sheet? First tell me, come on, reply me fast. Are you getting this balance sheet? सर इसमें क्या देखना है, मतलब आपको बैलेंस शीट क्लियर है ना? ये बताओ पहले तो भाई, ये हमारा एग्जांपल, आज इस पार्टनरशिप हमको क्लोज करना है और इसमें कितने पार्टनर है? कितने पार्टनर्स थे? हाउ मेनी पार्टनर्स आर देयर? मिस्टर ए एंड मिस्टर बी. $7,50,000 and 7,50,000. This is what partners capital part. So waiting for your reply. Okay, I have received reply. Yes. Okay, got balance sheet. Okay, beta. Very good. Yes. Now listen to me very carefully. Need not to note down, please. Focus on that. We both will close this business. They partners A and B comes to a chartered accountant, all of you, and they says, please tell me how we should close our business. We are selling over all the assets and we are closing the firm. And you are saying, yes, come to me. We are chartered accountants. Step number first. How will you prepare? You will say, there must be closure of assets. Okay. Suno dhyan se. Yes. Step number first. What you should do? Step number first. Transfer all assets and liabilities. Listen to me very carefully. Need not to note down. I have already noted down. Step number first. Transfer all assets and liabilities. Books value. BV stand for, no, that is not BV. That is book value. Listen to me very carefully. Book value stands for BV here. Okay, BV here stand for book value. Transfer all the assets and liabilities. Where are the assets and liabilities? Sir, these are the assets and liabilities. But listen to me very carefully. Except cash and bank. Why? Because in the unit first, the purpose is there. All the assets will be sold and the all cash will be collected on the same date. That means all the things are being converted into cash. And how can we convert cash into cash? Okay. So step first, transfer all the assets and liabilities. Assets means these are the assets. Liabilities means these are the liabilities. Transfer all assets and liabilities to where? Except cash and bank. कहां पर ट्रांसफर करना है? Where to transfer? To realization account. Realization account, it means we are preparing an account where we will realize the assets. It is just like a mediator account, just like uncle. Hey, uncle, what you are saying, sir? Think there are two person who are two child are fighting with each other, and uncle comes and they settle their fighting and say, I will solve your problem. So relation is just like uncle, and you are handing over all the assets and liabilities to realization uncle. I am teaching here, assuming that students have not taken anywhere this chapter classes. Okay, they have not yet read down anywhere. Okay, so I am teaching here with this assumption. So you will enjoy all the detailed discussion. Now come to the point. Step number first, you will transfer all the assets and liabilities to where? Realization account. So what we have to prepare here is, we have to prepare here realization account. So first account will be there, realization account. Realization account. Realization account. Sir, we should know. No, beta. This is what? This is like uncle. Here is some person to whom you are handing over these balances. He's like a broker. Very good. You can also take this example. The person is saying, Siddharth is saying that, sir, yes sir, I am attending only ICI classes. Don't worry beta. मेरी क्लास में जो होगा, सिद्धार्थ अपनी क्लास, in my class you will get all the detailed discussion like regular class, but question practice will be limited, but advanced question. Okay, now come back to the point. You are opening here realization account and you are handing over the balances. How you will hand over? Come on, reply. All the debit balances are there for assets. How you will close all debit balances of assets? Debit balances of assets. How will you will close the debit balance of assets? Sir, by crediting. Okay. How you will close? Realization account debit to, you will transfer all these balances, asset side balances to here. Okay, this is your step number first. How will say? To fixed assets 10 lakh, to investments 5 lakh, to fixed assets and to investments, book value, that doesn't mean realizable value. Realizable value is how much we shall realize, how much amount we shall receive after selling. That's different. We are closing here books. That means only the book value will be transferred. Yes, very good, beta Rahul. You are saying correct. Sir, I am confusing this part. Old balance sheet is all the given and adjustments are given, but drawn the new balance sheet after the all the items in the old balance sheet, but except cash and bank. I am confusing the part. Old balance sheet is all the given and the adjustments are given after adjustment, beta. Okay, and drawn new balance sheet. Yes, beta. After adjustments, the updated balance sheet. We are working on that. Sometimes balance sheet given of different date and missing figures are there like single entry, and we have to update the balance sheet till the date. And after that, that updated balance sheet must be taken as a base for this step. Okay, beta. Okay, Yash. Okay. All the rest students are replying very fast. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Now, Yash, please reply. I am waiting for your reply. Are you clear on your doubt point? Now, coming back to the point. Simultaneously, I will wait for your reply. Step number first, transfer book values of all the assets. So, all the assets or some of the assets? Beta, all the assets. We are to close full firm. We are to close full firm. Means we are to close all the assets. All. Okay. Book values, not the realizable value. कितने की बिकेगी ये एक अलग चीज है. How much it will be sold, that's totally different. The thing is that to close the books. So we are to close books. So we shall transfer book values. Okay. Now second, okay. First complete this step. 2, current assets. Current assets. Which current assets other than exception? Okay. Others book value 3 lakh. Step number first is not yet complete. Transfer all assets and liabilities book value. Okay. By liabilities book value, that is 3 lakh. So I am writing off the balance sheet, which balances have been completely transferred. So this balance is this balance. So you will see the balance sheet balances are being transferred. So balances are not there except cash and bank. It means you will have to prepare separately another account, that is cash and bank account. Okay, beta. Cash and bank account. Cash and bank account. Come on, sing a song. Cash and bank account. Cash and bank account. And you will write down here balance to balance brought down. Sir, we have to transfer or we have to balance brought down. Beta, this was no transfer. So this is the just balance brought down. Now come to the point. Sir, we sold only those assets which can be realized. Very good. And all the assets are given the balance sheet. Very good. Aditi, I am coming to the point. Don't worry. We shall not sold the assets which are not sellable. Okay. The realization part will be only for those assets. Okay, Aditi beta. Now come to the point. Step number first, we have completed. What the step number 2? See, the first step number first must be complete. The cash and bank account is also not there now. We have transferred all the assets. Yes. Now we are closing liability side. Okay. Step number 2 is there. Transfer. Step number 2, transfer. Step number 2. कहाँ पे लिखूं? यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ. Step number 2 क्या है सर? What is that? Transfer owners related accounts to owners account. Owners related जितने भी accounts है. How many accounts are there related to assets? All the assets, all the owners related account must be transferred to owners account. Prakash, coming to the point. Assets are having debit balance. That's why transferring to transferred at debit side of relation. Is it true? Beta, yes, you are true. You are correct, beta. Prakash. By crediting. Okay. Transfer to owners account. Who are the owners? Who are the owners? Partners. all the balances related to owners, whether it is reserve and surplus, or it is partners capital, or the debit balance of profit and loss account, losses, miscellaneous expenditures, and any type of reserve and surplus related account, whether debit or credit, and all must be transferred to owner's account. So step number 2 is there. Okay. So we have to prepare what we have to prepare, sir. We have to prepare owner's account. Tell me, please. Tell me, please. Who are the owners? Come on, tell me. Waiting for your reply. Who are the owners? Who are the owners here? Give me name. In this balance sheet, who are the owners? Waiting. This class must be like regular face-to-face class, like other private coachings are there. Please, I want all the detailed discussion here. If I am here, then I am your, not the private coaching. Okay. Please tell me who are the owner. Students are not giving name. Partners, sir. Partners. Partners capital account. Yes. Cash and bank account, beta. Not cash flow. Okay, Aditi? That is in company part. Very, very good. All the students have replied. Now come to the point. Who are the partners? Mr. A, Mr. B. As per this example, Mr. A, Mr. B. What kind of balances are there? Sir, they are having credit balance. Yes, they are having credit balance. So put their balance into their account. First one is capital account by balance brought down. 7,50,000 as per this example. 7,50,000 as per this example. And very good, beta, Shivanshi. What are the rest of the balances are there which are related to owners? We have transferred capital part. Okay, we have transferred capital part. It means balance sheet balances are being closed. This is called closure of partnership firm. Balances are being closed. See, these balances have been transferred, shifted to their owner's account. What the remaining balances are there? To whom those relate? Notes. Okay, beta. If ICI will permit, beta Namrata, I will share these PDF. You even not need down to note during the class. If ICI will permit, then definitely I can share all these notes, written notes also. Okay. Now come to the point. Very good answer, Thakur. Beta. Very good answer, Prakash. Beneddi. Very good. Reserve and surplus. Yes. What kind of the balances are there? Credit balances. And these are to be transferred to partners capital account by debiting them by reserve and surplus. General reserve. Sir, there was capital reserve, sir. How you can distribute capital reserve? How you can distribute capital reserve? Beta, it will be like somebody is sinking the sea and he is saying that this saving is for my marriage. Okay, and I will not use that. Oh, beta, when the ship is sinking, the partnership is being closed, then there is no difference between the reserve. All the things will be transferred to capital and those will be paid. There is no difference, no doubt must be there of differentiating the reserve type. Capital reserve, revenue reserve, all the reserves are related to partners, distribute them and close the partnership. So what is the treatment of partner loan? Are they transferred to partners capital? Coming, beta. These are the doubt areas. Don't worry, Aditi. First, listen to me very carefully. All these things have been noted by me. Okay. Okay, Prakash. Okay. Okay, Hiral. Okay, beta, Hiral. It will take some time to be familiar with you. Okay, Hiral. Maybe some pronunciation are different, but the things feeling from my side is with you. Okay, Hiral. So never mind. Any student, please. Yes, I can upload if ICA will permit. Okay, beta Siddharth. Come on. Yes, ratio is 1:1. So capital reserve is there. Now basic part. If nothing given, then always equal. Capital reserve 80,000. General reserve 120. Okay, G. Okay. capital reserve and general reserve. Capital reserve 40-40, oh ho, 40-40, oh ho, 40-40. General reserve 60-60, oh ho, 60-60, 1:1. Okay. So now the books have been closed, but partnership firm, all the settlements have not yet been done because now it's the turn. Now it's the turn to sell the assets and pay off all the person. Okay. Balance sheet has been closed. Books values has been shifted. Okay. So so please be careful. Step number first and two is related to book values transfer. Owners accounts are transferred to owners and assets and liabilities except cash and bank is transferred to relation account. And don't worry, beta, coming to your doubt, partners loan account coming to, don't worry. There is a difference of practices are there for which we have to be specific as per ICI guideline. Okay. So I am taking partner loan point after some time. Don't worry. Now come to the point. What was the purpose of unit 1? To sell all the assets at a particular date. Okay. And to pay off all the assets, all the liabilities on the same date and to settle all the partners account. Namrata beta, in basic part we have learned always if ratio is not there, then we are always assume as per section 1319 partnership act that was equal. In foundation level we have already covered. Okay beta, Namrata, are you clear on this point? Ratio is 1:1, equally 2 partners are there. Now come to the point. If all the assets have been sold, let's suppose we have received the payment by bank, by cash and bank, for which fixed assets, current assets, sorry, investments, all the assets are being now sold and we are collecting cash, current assets, other. Okay. And we have received, for this, we have received 11 lakh, then 5,50,000, 3,20,000. And if liabilities are being paid to cash and bank, listen to me. Correspondingly, debit credit you have to enter in the cash bank also to cash and bank. Cash and bank, sorry, cash and bank account debit to relation account, realization account, fixed assets, investments. Yes, beta, Aditi, I have given you example of sinking sea. If sea is being sinked, then there is no difference in our saving type. Okay, the purpose is over now. We all are going from the firm. Okay, fixed assets, investments, and current assets. Other 11 lakh we have realized in one day. All the assets have been sold. 5,50,000. Please calculate. Please take calculator and calculate with me. Okay. Now, payment of liabilities they also there. Payment of liability is also there. Okay. And we are paying here to cash and bank. Oh, cash and bank. Fixed assets, sorry, liabilities. That is 3 lakh only. Correspondingly, we shall also record this the transaction in simultaneously in cash and bank account by realization account, by relation account for creditors. Other liabilities also. Okay, I am not writing creditors. Maybe liability in the form of loan, in the form of creditor. I am writing here liabilities. 3 lakh. Okay. Why we use here cash and bank? Beta, either there may be cash or maybe bank. Okay. All the settlements will be done either through cash or bank. So we open here combined bank. Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. It is like saving money after 50 years of marriage when nearly it is impossible. Wah, Siddharth. It was a good example. Very, very good. But I don't think so. You are married. I am married, but still I cannot. I am not courageous to say this example. But still you are saying very, very good. Now come to the point. Please do total. How much is the total of right side relation? 3 lakh plus 11 lakh plus 5 lakh 50,000 plus 3 lakh 20,000. It is 22 lakh 70,000. Beta ji, 22 lakh 70,000. Everyone tell me how much is the profit on realization. Tell me. It is 10 lakh 70,000. I think it is 10 lakh 70,000. 1 lakh 70,000. Oh, wait. 3 lakh plus 11 lakh plus 5 lakh 50,000 plus 3 lakh 20,000. Total is 2270 minus 10 lakh minus 5 lakh minus 3 lakh minus 3 lakh. Yes, it is 1 lakh 70,000. Very good, beta. How you shall distribute? You will distribute this 1 lakh 70,000 to A and B. This is what profit on realization. This is what profit on realization. Sir, if nothing saying, if nothing given, then ratio is equal. Yes, beta. 85,000, 85,000. First, I shall take reply from the student. Till this okay? Till this okay? Please tell me. Till realization okay? Please note down. Please write down. Till this, please message. Till realization okay. Conceptual clarity is must. All the questions will be like you are playing with the accounts. Conceptual clarity is must. Please tell me till the relation you are okay. Clear. Only Siddharth. Waiting. Bacho, reply me fast. Waiting. I hope you all are energetic and you are not sleeping and all. Okay. Fully okay. Yes, sir. Okay. Till relation concept okay. Till relation okay. सर जो relation से distribute किया है वो cash distribution किया है ना partners में. Cash distribution नहीं कार्तिक बेटा. Profit या loss. This is what profit on relation. Okay. So we are transferring to partners by realization account. This is profit on realization. Profit. Okay, beta. 85,000. Okay. Step number first. What was that? Transfer all the assets and liabilities to relation account. Okay. Step number 2. Transfer owners related account to partners capital account. Yes, beta Aditi. Revaluation reserve will be transferred to relation, beta. Revaluation belongs to assets. And we are coming on that part also. Don't worry. Okay. In the written part, I have covered all the points. Still, I am answering you, beta. Revaluation belongs to assets or liabilities. That will be transferred to that. If that belongs to profit, that will be transferred to partners capital account. Okay, beta. Any profit or loss reserve which belongs to assets or liability, that will be transferred to relation. Rest related to profit or loss, that will be transferred to owner's account. Now come to the point. Step number 1 was there. Transfer assets and liabilities book values to relation. Step number 2, transfer owner's related account to owner's account. Step number 3 is what? What is step number 3? Step number 3 is this. Realize the assets. Step number 3. Realize the assets, sir. Should we note it down? No, beta. Wait. Realization. Kya? Of assets and pay liabilities. Step number 3 was this, which we have already covered. Now step number 4. Step number 4 क्या है भाई? बताओ भाई. Step number 4, profit or loss on realization. कहां पे ट्रांसफर होगा? Where to transfer profit loss on relation? Transfer to partners capital account. Okay. Step number 4. Now step number 5 is there. What is that? Now pay off the balances of partner. pay off the balances of partner. How much is the balance? Please tell me total. 7,50,000 plus 40,000 plus 60,000 plus 85,000. For A, it is total how much? 935,000. 9,35,000. 9,35,000. 9,35,000. Okay, G. Okay, 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 okay. And for B, 7,50,000, 40,000, 60,000, 85,000. That is again 935,000 because capital value is equal and ratio is also equal. So the same amount is there for both. To bank, to cash and bank. Now pay off the partners or receive if there is any deficiency or if there is excess, then pay all the or you can say settle the accounts of the partner. This is what? This is our final step. Step number 5. Step number 5 is what? Pay or receive. Matlab means settle. That is settle. To or from partners. Okay. 9,35,000. 9,35,000. Tell me total of 9,35,000. 9,35,000. Total amount is what? Please tell me. Waiting for your reply, bacho. You will see the same amount is balanced in the cash account. Hai? Yes. Please check. The total of these amount, you will find the same amount balance is there in the cash and bank account. Okay. The cash and bank account will be automatically tally. Very, very good. Very, very good. Total kitna hai bhai? How much is the total? 2 lakh plus 11 lakh plus 5,50,000 plus 3,20,000. 21 lakh. Okay. 21 lakh 70,000. 21 lakh 70,000 minus 3 lakh 18 lakh 70,000. You will see the same amount is there for A and B. That is available because you have done all the things in double entry mode. 9,35,000 for A's capital, 9,35,000 for B's capital. Yes, cash and bank account will be automatically tally. Please tell me first. Till this okay or not? Tell me first. Now I will discuss the maximum doubts areas of students which they can find in the question. They will definitely not find even a single point outside the class, which I will show you on screen. Please tell me first. Till this, everything is okay. Okay, clear, sir. Very okay. Yes, sir. Completely clear. Crystal clear. Okay, beta. Now coming to the point. Sir, now tell me what we should do in the class. Beta, I have already told you. First, we shall understand the concept. We have done. Now, it's your turn to note down. Okay? Concept will be written. All the steps which I have told you in example, those you have to note down. And I am here with your all doubts. What you can find in the questions also. Namrata and other students which they were asking the best accounts class I have ever taken. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, beta. आपकी ये बात मेरे को बहुत प्यारी लगी and I am feeling good for all these your feedbacks. The best account. Thank you so much. I love you all, beta. I want all the things must be communicated in the class so that you can enjoy your good marks. So please note down. Now I am explaining you all the relevant part of maximum doubts which you can find in anywhere, any book, any question. If you are writing these things, then you will clear all the doubts which you can never find outside other than these. If there are 2 or more external liabilities, then which one will be paid? Beta, all will be paid. First, we are to pay Sudhanshu secured. Okay, beta. Then for unsecured, beta. Okay, Sudhanshu. Thank you so much, sir, for explaining with so much clarity, sir. Okay, beta. Thank you, Sonika baby. Beta, आओ मेरे बाबू, आओ beta. Now, please note down what we have learned. Step first, please note it down. I am explaining you the doubt areas of each and every step in all the books, all the question you will find, even past exam also. So first step is here. We have learned transfer book values of all the assets and all the liabilities to realization account. If there is no video clarity, if there is zooming requirement, then you can write down. Otherwise, don't write down. Now I am explaining you. Okay. If requirement is there for zoom, then please tell me. Now I am explaining. Step number first is there. Transfer. You explained very well. Thank you so much, sir. Okay, beta. Yes, sir. It is clear, but this part is not clear. Question is not given in draw the cash. You are talking about overdraft. Yes, I am coming to the point. Don't worry. Question is not given in the draw. In draw the cash. I am not able to understand. Yes, if you are saying about overdraft, then please tell me. Otherwise, I don't think so. I am not able to understand your doubt. So let's start. Should I start? Should I start? Yes. All the student. Now please note down. Step number first. When we find question in our exam, then there is a balance sheet. We transfer all the assets and we open the relation account and transfer all the assets, debit balances, and transfer all the credit balances of liability to relation account. What will be the entry? This is the entry part. This is the entry part. This is the entry part. Okay. Relation account debit to all assets. Assets are being credited, being assets transferred to relation. All the liabilities are being transferred to relation. All the liabilities are having credit balance. How they will be transferred? They will be transferred by debiting. Okay. Now, sir, I wish सारे concept advanced accounting के आप ही पढ़ाएं हमें. कार्तिक बेटा, मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगेगा अगर पूरा बैच आपका मुझे मौका मिले. आप बोलेंगे आईसीआई में तो आईसीआई जैसा कहेंगे हम लोग ऐसा कर सकते हैं. I am feeling good. Okay. Now come to the point. If you are transferring all the assets, entry will be relation account debit to all assets, book values. Narration will be being assets transferred to relation account. When you are transferring all the liabilities, book value, all the liabilities account debit to relation account. Okay. You have already learned how the account is open, but in the question we find some doubt which students were asking. I love your teaching. Okay बेटा, सर मैं ये पूछ रहा हूं कि कभी क्वेश्चन में कैश और बैंक अकाउंट को नहीं बोला है तो कैश और बैंक अकाउंट बनाना जरूरी है क्या? हाँ बेटा, बनाना जरूरी है बेटा, क्योंकि यहाँ का थीम क्या है? यश. सब चीज को कैश बैंक में कन्वर्ट करना, बाबू, रियलाइज करना. ओके यश, आइए आगे बढ़ते हैं. ओके लेट्स स्टार्ट. कैश एंड बैंक अकाउंट बैलेंस सेपरेट अकाउंट ओपन कर ओपन. यस. बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट. नेक्स्ट, third point, partners loan. Namrata, I know you are asking. Okay, so cash and bank account, separate account is open and transfer there. Number one, solution is this. Doubt may be there. If you are not having the doubt, then don't worry. Still, if you are having the doubt, then you can find answer here. But please, you are to note down each and everything which I have prepared here. So please take in equity with differential right also, please sir. I can take which ICI will permit. Definitely I will take, don't worry. And you can find the, okay, you can ask to ICI, then definitely I will take. Now come to the point beta. Let's complete the things here, conclude the point. When we find bank overdraft, there are different type of practice. Namrata and one more person you are asking, come on. There are three type of practice. There are two type of practice. One is bank overdraft should be transferred to relation, or another one is bank overdraft is directly shifted to cash and bank account. From that should be directly paid. Beta, please cut first alternative. You are not supposed to do the same in the exam. This is not the way to solve. Okay. What should we do? Only in this way you are to follow ICAI pattern. ICAI, how ICAI expect the answer in this way. Okay. There are alternative practice are also the final answer will be same, but we have to strictly follow ICAI. And also the rest of all chapters, is it possible you take all the chapters? Yes beta, ICAI will say please, if you say ICAI then definitely yes. Now come back to the point. Alternative first, bank overdraft should be transferred to relation and then from there it should be paid, or directly to bank account, directly to bank account. Follow this practice, then definitely you will find the answer that is as per ICAI. Remember, there are some other book practice also which come to the same answer, but alternative way we have to strictly follow ICAI. Now come to the point. Namrata was waiting for this question. And another one student was also waiting for this question. Please note down and find your answer. I will explain. First, you note down. First, you note down. And tell me, have you noted down? I will move further only when you will reply. That's sir, we have noted down. Now please explain. Sir, I am asking this now. I am clear on it. Thank you, sir. Okay, Adit. Okay. आपने नोट कर लिया सबने? Sir, bank overdraft treating as credit balance in bank account. Yes, beta. Yes, beta. You are right. But they are CC and other things are also, those are also directly transferred to cash and bank account. Okay, beta Gomati. Krishnan. Okay. Maybe, students, maybe my pronunciation sometimes may be different than you are expecting. So please don't mind. Okay. I am your teacher and I love my all students, whether I am teaching in ICAI or at any other place. Okay. So don't go for pronunciation. Sometimes it may be different, but definitely all the things will be as per your choice. Okay, beta. Tell everyone is to give feedback to ICAI. Okay, ICAI will proceed accordingly. Okay, beta. Okay. Okay. If all students like, then they can refer to ICAI. Then ICAI will permit. Then I will take. Okay, I have told you. Okay. Now come to the point, bacho. Now come to the point. Chalega sir. Okay. Everything is fair in teaching. नहीं बेटा नंबर नहीं दे पाऊंगा. आइए हम पढ़ाई की बात करते हैं. प्लीज कम टू स्टडी पॉइंट. ओके. Partners loan. Alternative number one practice is there, that is transfer to capital account. We should not transfer to capital account. Alternative number two, we are transferring to relation, from there we are paying. No, we shall not follow that. We shall follow only this practice. Okay, beta, directly paid. How we shall do in exam? Directly paid. Is it correct to open partners loan account separately? No, beta Hirel. That's why I am giving you all these charts. Directly pay without opening account. If you are opening account, what is the purpose of opening account, beta? Accounts are opened to balance, and balances ki sheet is called balance sheet. That is already there. Okay. Now we are closing the balances. How we shall close? We shall close in this way. Okay, beta. Your pronunciation is very nice, Sneha. Okay, thank you, beta. Now come to the point, beta. What the doubt areas are also, please. This is our. Wait, please. Wait. Just a minute. Okay. What I am telling you, beta. Maximum doubt areas in the question. Maximum doubt areas in the question. What the doubt areas are in the question? These are the file of regular class, okay, which I am giving you here. Maximum doubt areas. Please don't take it otherwise. This is the way to teach. You will get easily answer. There are some reserves. Some reserves. Yes, beta. Gomati, yes. Okay. There are some reserve like uh, provision for doubtful debt, like reserve for doubtful debt, reserve for discount, JLP reserve. Okay. Uh, Provision for repairs, provision for depreciation. Students have lot of doubt. I used to teach them by giving this example. Please take this example. Please don't take it otherwise and see this graph. Sir, but partner's capital account is having debit balance, then we transfer the partner's loan account in the partner's capital account. No, beta, no, Aditi. Unless question doesn't specify, we shall not transfer. Okay, Aditi? Strictly follow the things which I am telling you. And I am qualifying chartered accountant since 2010, and since then I am continuously in teaching and practice also. Okay, so don't worry. If I am saying I have solved all the books and all the questions which I am giving here, don't worry, beta. Okay, now come to the point. Take this example. Sir, why you have prepared this chart? See, who is there? Take an example. There is cow or bull. If anybody is holding the tail of bull, what we shall say? Come on, tell me what we shall say. Sir, what we shall say? Only bull will say. Bull will kill us. No, beta. If we are holding the tail of bull, then we will say we are holding the bull. The nature of tail of bull is equal to bull. Okay. The same is the case with the JLP reserve. Same is the case with the reserve for bad debts. Same is the case with the stock reserve. Same is the case with the provision for depreciation. Because normally students ask, sir, fixed assets account is okay. That should be transferred to realization account, because that is in balance sheet. We are finding in balance sheet. This is balance sheet. We are finding here fixed assets account. Okay, cost 1 lakh and provision for depreciation, accumulated depreciation 20,000. In this way, in balance sheet, 80,000 is net amount. Listen to me very carefully. Sir, what is the journal entry for direct payment of partner loan? Namrata, bete, partner loan account debit to bank. Okay, beta. Namrata, first tell me, are you clear at this point, Namrata? Partner loan account debit to bank. You can check ICI study material. All the concepts are from there. Now come to the point. This graph will solve your maximum doubt areas if you will listen and understand this graph carefully. If I say fixed assets should be transferred to relation account, that means debit balance of fixed assets. And where to go with the credit balance of provision for depreciation? The provision for depreciation is having the same nature of fixed assets that you have already learned in the types of account. Fixed assets is real plus tangible. Then tail of fixed asset is also real plus tangible. That should be transferred to the tail is with the bull. So where the bull will go, the tail will also go. So fixed assets account is transferring to relation account. Then provision for depreciation will also be transferred to realization account. Next, take another example. Debtors, sundry debtors. If debtors are there of 1 lakh rupees, okay, take another figure. If debtors are there of 50,000 and reserve for bad debts is also there for 2,000, and 2,000 is what? That is like tail of a bull. Where the bull will go, tail will also move accordingly. If we are transferring sundry debtors to relation account, then reserve for bad debts will also be transferred to relation account. Okay, in the same way. Now coming to another point. Listen to me very carefully. Sundry creditors are there. These are the doubt areas which you will find only after solving the questions. And since the limitation of lectures are there, so I am giving you all the things here. sir, I cannot understand the fixed assets concept with the bull tail. Okay, I am giving you another example. Beta, fixed assets account is there. Madhushri, fixed assets account is there. 1 lakh. So you are opening here realization account. This is what? Realization account. This is what? This is cost part of fixed assets account. You know, provision for depreciation chapter, depreciation accounting, you have already learned in the foundation level, where you know provision for depreciation account is separately open and cost is separately maintained in the fixed assets account. Fixed assets account is having debit balance and you are transferring to relation account, fixed assets account, relation account debit to fixed assets account 1 lakh. But there is also another point, provision for depreciation account, where you have already learned that if provision for depreciation account is there, then that is having credit balance. Okay, beta. Just for presentation point of view, we are to follow in the presentation in this way so that we can understand the true and fair view. But the credit balance is there, provision for depreciation. Where will be transferred? Come on, answer me. Answer me, beta. Madhushri, where will be transferred provision for depreciation? That will be transferred to there where the fixed assets is being transferred. Fixed assets is bull and tail of fixed assets is provision for depreciation. That is having credit balance and we are transferring here. Okay, beta. So this sheet of note is provided to ICI notes here. Beta, I can give ICI. If ICI will permit, then ICI can share you all guys. Okay, beta. Yes, I can share with ICI. Don't worry. Now come to the point. Please understand the concept. Since I have only 10 minutes more. Please, now come to the point. JLP, this is the, okay, before going further, I want answer from Madhushri. Madhushri, beta, is your doubt okay? Please tell me, is your doubt okay? Madhushri, beta. Beta, Hitesh, we show on the asset side by reducing from the debtors to follow the conservatism concept. Net asset should not be overstated. Coming to your point, Madhushri, yes sir, understood. Okay, beta. Now coming to the point. Now come to next example, beta. There is debtor. Okay, there is debtor. There is debtor. Sundry debtors. 1 lakh. Provision for depreciation. 20,000. Okay. Where will be debtor transfer? Relation account debit to sundry debtors. Okay. 1 lakh. And provision for depreciation is not there. That is reserve for bad debts or reserve for discount. RFPD. That is having credit balance. That will be transferred here. RFPD. Now coming to next point. Next point. JLP. Okay. One of the student is asking, sir, what is JLP? Beta, we have already learned in foundation about JLP. That is joint life policy. In case of partnership, we go with the combined insurance. That is called joint life policy. Now coming back to the point. If we are following assets method, sir, if you want extra time, please take, sir. We are surely to cooperate Saturday morning party with CH surgery. Okay, beta. Definitely. Siddharth, if you all of request to ICA, then definitely ICA will permit and I will enjoy with you all. Now come to the point. If there is another bull and another tail, come on, beta ji, there is JLP. If we are following assets method, not expense method, remember assets method of JLP, life policy, assets method, not expense method. Then we are having in balance sheet surrender value. Yes, sir. Suppose it is 50,000. And there is also in reserve and surplus JLP reserve. You know JLP reserve? Yes, sir. That is also having 50,000. Take an example. RO beta. Coming, Yash. Coming. I want to take one more down so that student must concentrate on this point. So first one is Yash. Sir, one more question. You ask here, sir, what is the DB in the dissolution of partnership? And dissolution of partnership firm. DB, I am not able to understand better. DV, D slash V. Please write down in clear so that I can reply your doubt. Next one is Karthik Gupta. Provision oblique reserve of relevant account will be follow the main account. Yes, beta. So main account is bull and provision reserve related to its tail. Very good, Karthik. Seriously, dil jeet liya. Very good, beta. My main account is bull and tail of the bull is the relevant reserve or provision. Very, very good. All the doubts must be clear in this sense. Remember just bull and their tail and all the points you will solve. Fatapat, fatapat, fatapat. Miss Aditi, Acha Aditi, sir, if some creditors take debtor, then whether it should be given in the gross or net amount after transferring the balance relation account, beta ji, those are the calculative part. We all must transfer to relation the book value of debtors and creditor. Okay, beta Aditi, if there is difference to settle in cash, difference that will be dealt separately. Only that part will be dealt deal in account separately to or by bank. Okay, Aditi, are you clear on this point? Yes. Yes, she's asking difference between one. Achha, okay, sir. One more question you ask here. What is the difference between the dissolution of partnership and dissolution of partnership firm? Oh, beta, these are the theory part. Dissolution of partnership and dissolution of partnership firm. Both are accounting point of view same. If you are saying dissolution of partnership, then it was retiring the partner. Go, you are not now our partner. Your partnership has come to end with us. That is retiring, or God has taken the partner death. So that's another thing, beta. That is closer of partnership, but not the partnership firm. Okay, Yash. Sir, your teaching style is very nice. Also, we understood. Okay, beta. Karthik made it easy. Okay, beta. Now come to the point. Yes, sir. Kya scene? Okay, beta. How? So come to the point. JLP, where will JLP go? In the assets. Since we are following the assets method, then in that case, that will be transferred to relation. And since there is a bull, there is a bull trail by JLP reserve. Sure. Our madam taught us in 12th the JLP reserve are transferring to capital account. Yes, beta ji, that is another point. That was the treatment when we were following the expense concept. So JLP accounting basic, I am assuming that you are clear at your basic part. You know how the accounting is done for joint life policy, expense method and assets method without JLP reserve and with JLP reserve. Please, that was covered in foundation. So I am assuming since you are now on the revision part lectures, so you have already the detailed discussion of foundation level concept. If I will go with the foundation, then definitely there will be more lectures. You can also find the lectures by typing JLP at anywhere. The JLP Ajarati, you will find the video for your purpose foundation level. Okay, that is not part of inter level. Sir, very nice example. Understanding the concept, all doubt clear. Okay, beta. Now come to the point. JLP is transfer and JLP reserve is also transfer. Now after that, beta. Now come to the next point. Step number 2, transfer owners related account to owners account. How the accounts will be transferred, you have already learned, beta. Since the time limitation is there, 9:45 is about to occur. So I have to stop here so that other faculties may continue rest of the session, because time slots are divided in all the faculties, I think. Now I am coming to you in the next session from this part. Since the lecture is also available on YouTube, please, when you come in the next class, then revise the last class also, so that all the classes may be connected in this way that we can do maximum in the limited time. Okay, I will not discuss the earlier part. I will discuss only the doubts and the main point which will be collected in the next class. Please, since the time limitation is there, otherwise 10 to 15 lecture at least required for this practice. Sir, full form of JLP joint life policy. Okay, so in 2 minutes, please note down so that I can wind up. Transfer owners related account to owners account. what the balances are there, we can find in the questions. We can find in the question in the balance sheet, asset side, debit balances, and in the liability side, partners capital form, reserves in the form of P&L, general reserve, capital. Okay, these are the credit balances, and these are the asset side debit balances. Each store best. Ajay sir is best, world best account teacher. Rahul beta, thank you so much, Babu. Thank you so much, beta. Next, partners loan. Partners loan. Although I have already covered. If any student want journal entry, then they can note down. This is the systematic way to note down the concept. Really enjoyed this. Any homework, sir? Homework सिर्फ एक रहेगा अपना. Homework सिर्फ एक रहेगा. जब हमारा concept हो जाए, homework will be there when all the concept discussed along with the maximum doubt areas. Then I will give you as a homework, solve all the questions. After solving one question with me, solve all the question of ICI, pass exam question, any writer book, all the question must be solution. Okay. So all things are clear. Your teaching style is enjoyable and today class is great. Thank you, sir. Okay. Beta, these are the entries. Okay, beta. Step number 2. Now step number 3. Please note down fast, fast, fast. 1 minute is there. Realize the assets and pay off the liabilities. How these are done in the class in this way. Realize the assets and pay off the liabilities. I am giving you all the things which are already in our ICAI module, but in a systematic way, more presentable way, I am doing the things. In institute study material, already there is systematic way, but I am presenting you with the clarity of the question point of view. Beta, sir, do we have to read the theory only after completing the session? You must read the theory because I have covered almost all the theory also here. I will also cover all the theory also here in the numerical way. After completing the chapter, then you can find theory way, other things. Those are not for the class purpose. Okay. Now these are the things. Okay, beta. In this way, we have to present. I hope you all guys are writing simultaneously. So one more doubt was there. But from this, we shall continue our class in the next session because these are the points which are to be discussed simultaneously. Okay, if realizable value is not given, and these are the things you will find in the question beta. Okay, so from this, I will continue my next class, in which rest of the concept along with the question practice that will be covered. Okay. Okay. So I am now closing this session. I will request to technical team of ICI that